In this video, we're going to take you through a simple tutorial on how to edit a coming soon video in CapCut. With just your smartphone and a couple easy steps, you'll be able to create professional grade content that gets your listings noticed. This video is going to be a preview of one of our course videos. You can check that out in the card above or the link in our bio. So let's jump in and get started. All right, welcome back to another course video. In this one, we're going to be teaching you how to take some of those detail shots you had from your property and edit them together in an app like CapCut to make a coming soon post for your social media. So let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is open CapCut. It might take a second to load, but once we're in, you just skip their special offers and then click New Project. For this, you want to select all of your clips in the order that you want them to appear in the video, so it organizes them correctly. For us, we're choosing 10 clips for this coming soon video. Remember, you just want it to be anywhere between 5 to 10 or even up to 12. How many ever clips you have of the amazing highlights of your home, that's what should be included in this video. So I'm going to go ahead and select my clips. The way you do that is you click the little box at the top right of each clip. Grab a couple of the kitchen, end with an outside shot if you can, or with one of the better aspects of the home. If this is an amazing chandelier, an awesome kitchen, whatever it may be. So once we have all of our clips selected in order, let's go ahead and hit add. And this should pull up all the clips and order them for you. As you can see, we have some horizontal clips in here, and we didn't shoot these specifically for social media. So we did that on purpose to show you kind of how you could edit these, even if you make a mistake like this. So in this first clip here, you can see we walk up to the front door, and I want that to be a little faster. But the first thing we want to do is cut off the front end of this clip until we kind of start our movement. We can do that by clicking on the clip, click split in the bottom left, select the first clip, and then hit delete on the bottom right. And that will then scoot our other clip back to the beginning to where we want to start. So the next thing I want to talk about for these intro clips, if you have a walk-in clip like this you want to include, we can just do a quick speed ramp in CapCut. The speed ramping is not amazing, but it does have basic capabilities. So I'll show the first little walk up. We'll click the clip where we want to start speeding it up, click speed, then we'll click curve, and we'll click bullet. This speeds up, as you see, the beginning and the end. If you wanted to come in here and adjust that, you just click where you selected bullet on those 3 dots, and it'll give you more control of where you speed up and slow down. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is muting the clip audio. We don't really want the audio from the clips that we have in our video. We're going to be posting this on social media where we can select a song and have a better audio experience overall for the viewer. So let's watch this through, see what our speed ramp looks like, see if we need to adjust that. It looks as if we do, so I'm going to adjust here to 5x, adjust this down to 0.4. I'm actually going to smooth this off a little bit by dragging these out. If you don't need all these little bullets in your video, you can go ahead and select one and delete it. You can scroll a little bit and add a beat if you need to. So let's take a look. Then we don't actually want the end of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and split that off and delete this. Perfect. I think I'm going to even slow this down a little bit more by going to speed, going to my curves, dragging this down to like 4x. Perfect. And when you do these slow motion clips, in order to get smoother slow motion overall, we're going to go ahead and click this drop down, smooth slow-mo, and click better quality. And then go ahead and click your check mark. This might take a second to process, but it will make the experience better. Now, if we take a look at this, it should be a lot smoother. Perfect, just what I wanted to see. Okay, so now moving on to our next clip. First thing we're gonna wanna do is you see it's a horizontal clip. We click on the clip itself, get out of the speed menu here, and then we can just pinch and drag on the actual image until it's lined up with the edges. Let's take a look. Perfect. And I like this section where we're a little bit more zoomed out. So we're going to split off this beginning section. Go ahead and delete that. Take a look. Perfect. And you can see here we kind of interrupted our movement, but we don't want this whole clip anyways because we're going to be slowing it down. So let's go ahead and split that off, delete. Now let's click into our clip again, go to speed, normal, and drop this down to like 0.4. Remember to click the drop down, hit better quality, hit your check marks, and this will apply our smooth slow motion. Perfect. Now let's just do this for the rest of the clips, where we select them, cut off the sections we want, and then slow them down to around 0.4. If you ever have that horizontal video that you zoomed in and you want to see a different part of the video, like for this one, I'm going to scroll it a little bit to the left so we can see that fireplace come into view. Perfect. I like to split it right about here. Let's go ahead and delete that. And then for these clips we're going to be slowing down, you want them to be about 1 second to 1.5 seconds long before you actually slow them down, so they're the proper length in the video. So let's go ahead and delete this first bit. We have a couple second section here, and we're going to slow this down. Oops. As you can see, I split the video instead of hitting speed. You can hit this back arrow on the right side of the screen to undo that. So let's go to speed, normal, take this down to about 0.4. better quality, and let that process. Now we're going to time lapse through this section of the video a little bit and then show you what the end product looks like and how to add a coming soon graphic. All right, now that we have all of our clips slowed down and put together, one thing I like to really do at the end is add text that either says coming soon or the property address. The best way this works is to add the coming soon graphic and then in the caption talk about some of the best highlights of the home along with the address, if you're allowed to say that according to your local MLS before you list it. So the way we do that, here at the bottom, we hit text. I like to add it somewhere in when this clip starts right here. Go ahead and hit add text. We'll type it out, coming soon, capitalize our S. Go ahead and click anywhere on the side to get out of that. If you have the Pro CapCut, you can do type out and stuff like that. You can also choose for free a couple nice little motion graphics, something like this. And what I'll actually do for this is pinch and drag to make it a little bit bigger and then hit the check mark. And we can drag it, as you see on the bottom, it shows up here. We can go ahead and drag this to the end of that clip. And then CapCut always throws on this outro. I like to get rid of these because they don't look very professional. So we'll delete that. And then we should have our final video here. And as you see, that coming soon graphic animates nicely. The next thing you're going to want to do is click export in the top right. And this should save it to your camera roll. From here, you can post it directly to social media and start using this video. You can also, if you have your Instagram and TikTok connected to this account on your CapCut, you can go ahead and directly share it from the app. I personally just like going into my photos and uploading it directly to Instagram so I get more control. And once you have that done, your video should look something a little like this. I hope this quick CapCut editing tutorial helps show you how you could throw together a coming soon video for your listings. You could also make this an open house video by adding a little talking section to the beginning, saying something along the lines of, come out today and see us for this open house on this beautiful listing at blank address. And that there is a simple tutorial. We are looking forward to the coming soon videos that you create, and we'll see you in the next course video. We hope you enjoyed this quick editing tutorial. If you're wondering how we shot these professional clips, we teach you all of that and more in our LeadFlow Pro membership. With our membership, you'll learn how to create professional videos using just your smartphone, how to optimize your listing presentation with video as the unique selling proposition, and how to run simple, effective, paid advertising on Meta to get your listings in front of thousands of viewers and collect buyer leads. Not only will you save money learning how to create your own videos, you'll also build your brand, help your listings stand out, and ultimately make more money. If you're serious about taking your real estate business to the next level, head over to our website and sign up today. The link is in our bio. And don't forget to subscribe for free tips, strategies, and content to help you win more listings. And with that, we'll see you in the next video.